Welcome guys to this video. Today we're going to be doing a tier list on the usability, like the title says, of certain characters, based it off of tower and hard sweep. Even though I'm not there yet, I've gotten a good idea of how these characters are. Most of them. Like, I don't know anything about her, Green Navarro, or Red Inumaki. So we're gonna be doing every character except our characters. So we're just gonna do it in order. We're gonna start with Chozo. He I think works really well for both sweep and tower. He is really good. I hate that I have not got him, because Chozo is my favorite character, but he is really good. Okay, well, daggone, he's terrible. The worst out of the four cursed spirits. So yeah, but there's not much to say about him. Sorry, I'm doing laundry at the same time. So, Blue Ghetto, we're gonna put him here. He's a really good debuffer. There's not much to say about him. He's a really good debuffer and he does pretty good damage. Green Ghetto, put him there. He's not as good as Blue Ghetto, but he's still really good. I had Green Ghetto over Blue Ghetto, but he was still insane. We'll also we'll put him in there. I think he's really good. He's not, nobody really uses him. Not because he isn't bad, he just doesn't work as well as, like, if you really use Chozo instead. We'll put him there. I think he's really good too. It's just, in my opinion, I don't like how they leave. I mean, with his ult though, you can increase it. For sweep, that isn't very usable, if that makes sense. Him, we're gonna put him there. I mean, really good damage. He doesn't leave. He has the attack notification for most turns, if you know how to do that. With his skill 2, I don't remember which one. I think it's skill 2. Him, B tier, because apparently, I mean, it's early floors, but still, well, let's show him down the C tier. Just early tier, early floors. I mean, it's better than not being usable at all. We'll put him A tier. He's a really good nuker. He's green, which is a really good color. So, I mean, that's about it. Hanami, better than Dagon. That's all I can really say. I don't really see much on him. I just heard he's very mid. I don't see anybody use him at all. Blue Yuji, we'll put him there. I think he does decent damage. Compared to other Yujis, I wouldn't say he's that good, honestly. Green Yuji. I think with the new Toto, put him in S tier, since he works really good with the green Toto. Or not green Toto, I think he's no, he's green. Yeah. Yellow Yuji. Yeah, he's really, really good. Haven't got him, but just he's used on a good bit of teams. Nimble Yuji, I'll put him there, because I think the Yujis are really, he can use him on a lot of teams. I don't think any of them are bad, just some are better than others. Jogo, we'll put him this one in. No, we'll do that. I mean, none of the free characters are good, really. And though, I heard he's a good DPS. With his SP buff, he can be used as base character, though he isn't that good, but with his SP buff, he can be used on like the Suikoden team. Kaido, same thing with him. He's yellow, he can be used on the Suikoden team. I haven't really seen much from him though. His SP buff makes him good. Corey Mekamaru, we'll put him on C tier, because I don't think he was bad. Kusakabe, we'll put him at the front of A tier. So I don't think, I don't remember. It's been a little bit since I've seen Kusakabe. I don't think he was a bad unit. I just don't think people are able to use him on a ton of teams. Green. Oh yeah, he was better. We'll do that. Red Mai. Well, I see her used a good bit on the red team. So, I mean, with her SP buff, of course. I think. Pretty sure SP buff. So, and I'm not getting a lot of explanation, but it's just, it's a lot of characters. You know what? Okay, we're gonna Maki, Maki. All the Makis are bad. I don't care. All the Makis are bad. Yellow Mechamaru. We'll put on B tier. He is, I'd say, SS tier. He is a really good red unit. I see him used a lot, like every red team. Same with Degami. I see him used on almost. Let's move it around a little bit, like that. I also see Degami used a lot, but not this blue Degami. I'll put him in C tier though, because I don't think he was bad. I don't exactly remember. I don't see him used at all either, so I'm just gonna put him in C tier. Same with her. I don't think she was super bad, but she wasn't good either. He, with his SP buff, we'll put him there, because he works really well with Blue Utah and all of them, all the blue units. Mika, I don't really see any of them used, so Momo, A tier. I think that's fair. Because she's really good with what she does, but she has been replaced. Let's just put him there. Same with him. He, though, we'll put him there. I don't really see him used either, but I think he's good. We'll also put, I think this one's the best one. He wasn't really good. I haven't seen her used at all. She isn't really, we'll put her in C tier. The Navarros aren't really that good. She can do damage. But it just takes so much setup. Both the pandas are bad. They don't give you anything. I just don't really see them used at all. I don't think she could be terrible. Haven't really got to use her though. Yellow Shoko, S tier. We'll put her ahead of Ghetto. She's used on the Sukuna team. I brain fart. Green Shoko though. I'll put A tier. I don't really see her used anymore. Blue Sukuna. We'll put an A tier. She wasn't bad DPS. She just really isn't usable anymore. Toto's terrible. Yellow Inamaki. He's not good. Blue Inamaki though. A tier. He is really good. Red Inamaki. We'll put him in B tier. Yellow Toji. We'll put it in C tier. Yeah, I had a C tier. I'm sorry, Buck. Come over here. Come over here. This side, Buck. This side. This side. Come on. Get up here. Red Koji. He's a really good DPS. I think A tier is fitting for him. Because he can work well on the red team. Her, I don't really use these characters, but I think both of these two deserve to be up on here. Well, these two are the only two yellows that I see anyone use. It's the only ones I'm gonna put up there. Well, we'll also put them up here, like right there. Those are the only three I see used. He is really good. Works really well alongside the other yellows. Blue Yuta, insane. We'll put him there. Honestly, best DPS in the entire game. Red Yuta, especially with his new SP buff, he is really good too. Red Yuji, I think he's SS tier, but we'll put him here. Well, put him there because we really didn't need him. Todo, definitely like right there, because he is good and he works really good with other characters. He doesn't do. He does really good. I don't have any complaints about him. I just rather Chozo, most because it's a bias thing. Fugana. Put him there. Because you're better off with the other characters. He's a really good DPS. It's like the other Sukuna. You don't need him. Red Mahito though. We're gonna put right there. So that's my tier list. So thank y'all for watching.